Hello and welcome to PMP question of the day. Let's see what the question is for today. Organization's focus is more on the work stream improvement using a lean approach to project to visualize the work. What shall PM do? Make the team do overtime, reduce duration of the sprint, introduce pair programming, set up Kanban board. So let's analyze the question first. Question says that organization is focused more on the work stream improvement. Secondly, they want to visualize the work. So we have two objectives. We have to analyze four options on these two objectives. So which of the option fulfills both of these objectives? So let's see. Make the team do overtime. Overtime will increase the productivity for a shorter duration of time. But for the longer period of time, it actually dips the productivity. So as the morale of the team, and it's not an efficient way to improve the work stream. Secondly, it will not going to help us to visualize the work. So that's not our answer. Second option, reduce duration of the sprint. It looks lucrative. Reducing the duration of the sprint actually does help us to decrease the duration of the project. How? When we have shorter sprint, let's say from 4 weeks to 2 weeks, we will have more feedback from the customer. We will discover the problems early on. We will work on the impediments early on, and we will have more frequent reviews, more retrospective sessions. So a lot of learning about the product, about our ways of work. Certainly, it will improve the work stream efficiency. However, how are we going to visualize the work? Organization want to see the work in progress. So it doesn't meet our second objective. Okay, so that's not our answer. Option C, introduce pair programming. Pair programming is an extreme programming framework engineering practice. So pair programming is what we deploy two programmers at the same time to work on a same piece of code on the same machine. One's job is to do the coding, the other one's job is to review the code being developed. So it will help us to improve the quality of the code being developed, and it will certainly help us to discover the problems early on and to work on them, these problems. So it will certainly improve the work stream efficiency. However, again, the question is how the project work in progress will be visible for the organization. So that's not met in this answer. So that's not our answer. Fourth option, set up Kanban board. Kanban board is a lean framework. It helps the organization to visualize the work in progress. And it shows the organization how the work moves from start till finish through various stages, from the to-do list to the work in progress, from the work in progress to the testing, and finally done. So that's a best way to visualize the work in progress. That's meet the objective of the question. And also when we have the visibility of the work, we can also push through the work between these stages. We know where are the bottlenecks, where there is pileup of the work, so it can be smoothed. So it does help the organization to improve the work stream efficiency as well as help them to visualize the work in progress. So that's our answer. I hope you have enjoyed the question for the today. I will see you in the next question tomorrow. See you next time.